There are some changes to today's schedule. Next, a BBC News special. At 7:45, Elizabeth, the Unseen Queen. For the latest information about all the changes to schedules, go to bbc.co.uk.
The BBC is interrupting its regular programming for an emergency alert. Please pay attention. Approximately at 9:30 a.m., a bomb was planted at the Houses of Parliament. We do not know when the bomb will set off, but we advise everybody to evacuate right now. The bomb planted is a highly dangerous bomb that can set light to anything in its path. It is unknown at this time if any MPs are inside right now, but we believe that this is a politically motivated attack. Anybody near the Houses of Parliament will eventually die if they do not evacuate. We have some news on who the alleged terrorist could be. The person in question is a tall male with a black mask with a black coat and was last seen holding explosives. If you see this person, inform the authorities immediately. Do not attempt to make contact with the bomber as they appear to be armed and dangerous. We do not have any information to share at this time. This emergency alert will continue to broadcast. We will update you if there is any more news to share. We have some breaking news. The bomb has detonated and has set off. This has caused a massive explosion which resulted in Parliament collapsing. Smoke is spreading across London. It has been confirmed that there has been multiple casualties, including the death of the Prime Minister, Rishi Sunak. Everybody at the BBC is saddened to hear about the death of our beloved Prime Minister. Police are still searching for the suspect and has not yet found them. This emergency broadcast will now conclude with our national anthem, and programming will be slightly altered.